Mandela River. Heavy downpour again causes flooding on Legacy Road project. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, election ready. JLP suggesting its track record has earned the party at least a second term.
Another grave problem. Bodies being exhumed for bauxite mining raises concerns in St. Anne.
Schoolgate murder. Another businessman shot dead in broad daylight.
Major manhunt. St. James wanted man killed. Another on the run.
And in business news, local scientist lands multi-million US dollar investment for cannabis research.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking this evening, what's the garbage collection like in your neighborhood?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.